Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can increase your chemistry of your team. So what you need to do is tap my team page. This is my team page, or it's your team also. As you can see, this is the overall rate of my team, 121. And beside the number there is 680 with a golden shield. That is my chemistry rate. So just tap the information icon. This is the breakdown. Player overall include subs is 113, rank up +1, and skill boost +7. So it will become 121. And increase your chemistry for a better player by put your player as same as their country. For example, like this Kai Havertz and Mukoko, same country, Germany. Tap the chemistry icon here. As you can see, I already fulfill my chemistry 12/12. And also, if I put Mukoko beside Kimmich, the line will become sorry, let's get back. Where is Kimmich? I mean this Kimmich. Nah, the line will highlight. It means the chemistry is already fulfilled, and it's increase your playing in the game, like how the player can anticipate the opponent, and how the player can shoot from the corner, pass in the corner, and many more. So please increase your chemistry of your team by play uh, your player in same nation or same club. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also, click the thanks button below. Enjoy the game.